So, hello everyone, a very warm welcome and a very good evening. My name is Kunal Kapoor. I am the financial expert for the day. I hope everyone is doing good, everything is working fine on your side, and like always, you guys are ready for our new trading pattern. So, today we have a special guest, one of my dear friend. Ankana is there. So, me and Ankana, both of us, we are going to talk about some different strategies. We are going to have a friendly match, a trading battle where both of us we will be taking some trades, explaining our experience, our mindset, so you will be able to get some more information. So make sure you stay till the end of this session so that we will be able to share more and more details. So very warm welcome, Ankana. Thank you so much for coming.
Thank you, Kunal. Thank you for a lovely introduction. It's a great pleasure to have a session with you. I mean, sharing a session with you, a live practice session. Not a practice, it's a battle actually, trading battle. And today I'm very glad. Yes, the word that I'm right now pronouncing battle with you. It's a good situation for me, and I'm really very excited because this kind of battle session is first time for me with you. So I think we will enjoy along with our dear traders. Let's see.
Of course, of course. So, traders, in today's conversation, of course, there is going to be a win-win situation. So, you will be getting some technicals from my side, from Ankana side, and at the same time, of course, as it is a battle, it's a challenge. So, there is going to be a giveaway for $10 risk-free trades. So, you can participate with us. You can also participate, be part of this challenge, and for that, all you just need to click on the link which I have shared in the description section, or at the same time let me share it with you in the comment section also. Just give me a quick moment. So all you just need to open the link and put your trader ID, and then to whom you are supporting or you think that will be making more profits, you can put their name. So how exactly it is going to work? So if you like right now it's my screen which is visible on the platform, like which you can check on the YouTube. So I have almost around $18,904 in my trading account, and let me show you the Ankara's details also. Just give me a quick moment. So you can observe like how much balance she is having. So what exactly you can do, either add the profit which you think one of us is going to make and then submit it, or you can do one more thing. Like if you are not able to calculate in that manner, then the best which I can suggest, just put an amount that Kunal is going to make $200 or Ankana is going to win $250 today, and whosoever will be making the correct or the nearest guess will be getting a $10 RFT. So you will be having max to max next 30 minutes. You have to make your entry within that one. So I have shared the link in the chat section, and in the description it's already mentioned. So being a gentleman, and Ankana, ladies first, you can pick your strategy and then we will be starting the today's session. What do you think?
Absolutely, I can pick my strategy. But do you have any, I mean, clue or anything, any suggestion that which strategy I should pick or which strategy the trader will enjoy? If you have any suggestion, you can tell me. Then I will choose. I
You
have
can
my
pick
few of my favorite.
uh, like you have the leverage, so you can pick anything, whatever you feel that you are comfortable with.
Okay. Thank you for that. So I'm just checking that maybe I will choose a strategy from the expert level strategy.
Mhm.
Maybe Rodeo. How about Rodeo, Kunal?
Nice, nice, nice. So just give a quick introduction about your strategy. So trader would love to dive into that, like how exactly it works.
Absolutely. So, dear traders, rodeo is one of my favorite strategy, and I mean, those who are trading for a long time or those who the trader they are new. So, just for them, it's a counter trend strategy. And in Olymptrade, the best thing is that anytime if you want to use any strategy, you just can check the video. Everything is there. So, mainly rodeo, there will be a basic indicator that is MACD, and the oscillator that is stochastic oscillator, which is really I love that oscillator, and the stick that will be Heikin-Ashi. So the candle will be Heikin-Ashi chart. So the enable this strategy. Let's see the MACD rodeo strategy, and this is my strategy going to be. It's a very easy strategy. You can check, right, that the stochastic oscillator, this is MACD, and the area chart. There are just two confirmation we can check with this oscillator and the indicator, and we will start the trade depending on the confirmation. So it's not difficult, it's very easy. MACD is a basic indicator. Whenever I will put any trade, I will explain why I put that trade on down, up and down. I think you will enjoy it. So Rodeo will be my um the Rodeo will be my companion today actually. What about
Oh,
you, Kunal?
so let me check my ammunition also. So I believe it's Friday, so I will go with Friday. So I'll use my Friday strategy. But along with that, I want to add one technical tool into that. So as
Okay.
stochastic, you mentioned this is one of your favorite also, but I must say that that is one of my favorite as well, because trader stochastic is something which is always indicating you that when you are supposed to follow the trend and when you should avoid following that. So
Yes.
what exactly I am trying to talk about? So whenever the market is either in the overbought zone or in the oversold zone, even though if I will be getting some signal, some sort of confirmation from the strategy, I will not be liking to pick the signal, those signals, because there is a possibility that there can be a trend reversal at any moment. And let me share a few more set of rules of this session. So each trade, for me or Ankana, we are going to trade with the $20 each. We have the accessibility to use two RFTs only. So this is completely depending on us, like whether we can use them anytime, any moment, and the trade amount will be fixed. So that will be $20 each. So that will be fair enough. So that like there are no such compulsion that we have to trade on a same asset or we have to use the same strategy throughout the session. In case if we feel that this strategy is not working fine or I want to change the strategy, Ankara, we have the complete leverage to change that also. So because I believe that the different strategies, if we will keep on implementing, traders will be able to get more and more strategies up. So I believe
Absolutely.
that will be a win-win situation also. So let's kick off today's session again. Welcome to everyone. Let me introduce again myself. My name is Kunal Kapoor and I have Ankana along with me. So make sure you subscribe the channel, traders. You be part of the family, so because every now and then we are conducting such sessions where we are talking about different technical strategies, market news, market updates. So just to be a part of the family, make sure you subscribe it. So Ankana, again, you can go first. You can take your first trade, and then we will be continuing.
Okay. And in the meantime, Kunal, I think dear traders are already joining our session. They are just commenting, saying hi. Really, we really appreciate all of your messages, the hi that your greetings that you are sending. We are very grateful to that. So I'm just checking up for a good signal. Let's see. I have selected the gold OTC and you have checked my amount is 20. Let's see whether I will get a good signal or not. I'm waiting for this candle. It's not that a good point to put my trade right away. Let's change the asset. Mm-hmm. Might be a up trade for that.
Nice, nice, nice. So you are already set to go, I believe.
Yes, I have already put my up trade. My first trade I have already put to Kunal.
Perfect. So let me look forward for some signals. So I have also selected gold OTC so far, and I believe that market is stuck somewhere in this, resistance level. Guys,
Mm-hmm.
we will not be considering this trade. This is this trade I have opened in the prior to the session. So let me keep on shuffling my cards. I'll try to fetch something, and wherever I will be getting any opportunity, I will be opening my first position. Okay, so let me open my first position on this one, USD CHF OTC, $20 downward. And let me have a look on gold OTC again. I believe that there can be opportunity. And Mohiji, just stay connected as you asked that you want to talk about the RSI. So I will try to give you a quick insight about RSI also. This is something similar to stochastic also. So all you just supposed to work on your overbought zone, oversold zone, and if you try to custom use it as a customized strategy, if you want to combine it with some another strategy, so frequency from 10 to 14 can be considered, like any frequency between 10 to 14 that can be picked. And let me introduce my strategy also, guys. So in Friday strategy, the basically what exactly we are using three different EMAs, 13, 5, and 55. So those traders, those who are not on expert level or advanced level, and those who are thinking that, sir, this strategy is paid for me, do I need to pay something? So just wait a second. Don't buy this strategy. This can be applied manually also. All you just need to go to the technical analysis button, apply these three different EMAs, and then you can click on these three dots, save strategy, next, 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 and your strategy will be ready to be used. Now, how exactly this strategy works? So in this one, all you just need to focus on the lower frequency, and when this lower frequency is intersecting the higher one. So for an example, for 5, 30, like for 13, 5 is lower. For 55, 13 and 5 both are lower. So whenever the 5 is intersecting 13 or 55, or 13 is intersecting 55 in any direction, that can be the direction of the market. Now, why I have mentioned that can be the direction? Because these are just some technical tools, technical based, mathematical calculation based technical tools. So there is no 100% accuracy promised at all. So do not invest a huge capital in a single trade. This is also one of my recommendation. What do you want to say about this, Angra?
Yes, yes, absolutely. And also one thing that we want to inform you that uh, it's a financial market. We all know, right? So please do trade with your own responsibility, because it might lead to a partial or complete loss of the invested fund. So we all know whenever we start our trading journey, whenever, I mean, 2 years back or any time. So we all know that risk already involved in the trading journey. But as Kunal said, so we need to maintain our invested amount and the ratio of our per trade. If we maintain this now, the risk will be lower. So that's our main suggestion. We always suggest to our trader that whatever amount you are investing, just use 5 to 10% each trade, so you have more chances to be in profit, or in the case of recovery also. I think that's the main part, like Kunal. That's why we always recommend this thing, that check your amount, invested amount, and the ratio that you are going to use in the each trade.
True, true, Ankana. But like here, I want to share one more thing, guys. So as Ankana mentioned that you can use 5 to 10% of your trade amount, but that is also depending on your capital size. So like if
Yes,
you have a capital like $10,000, then using a 10% can be very huge. So you need to fix it according to that. So you need to focus on that part also, because the basic rule of trading, what exactly it says, you can make money only if you have money. So
absolutely.
having money in your trading account, that doesn't mean at all that you will make a deposit, you will wipe it off, again you will make a deposit, again you will wipe it off. That always means, I'm always suggesting one thing, that whatever the deposit you have made, use it wisely so that you will be able to use it for a longer time. So Ankara, will be coming to the comment section also, but for now, what's your score? Like how many profitable trades you have made so far?
Already one trade is on profit, and I have
Mhm.
actually put three trade. One is in profit and two is on negative, so I need to recover it.
No worries. So, like, let me show you my score also. So that is also not that lucrative, but still, let me show you. So far, I have opened these three trades: one positive, one negative, one is on no profit, no loss. Even though after that very next moment, the market was in the downward direction, but my entry was either quite early or quite late. But no worries, we will keep on trying our best to find more and more signals. And let me see if we have started receiving any entries so far. No. So traders, again requesting you, if you want to get some RFTs also during this session, so you can participate in today's contest. I have shared the link in the chat section, or at the same time I have pasted it in the description, so you can pick it from any of these source. And you can all you just need to open the that Google form, select any one of our name, put your trader ID and the profit amount which you think one of us will be making. And whosoever will be making a perfect guess, or the nearest one, will be getting a $10 risk free trade. I'll make sure those will be added to your account as soon as possible. And for that, you have max to max next 16 minutes only to make an entry. After that, we will not be considering any of the entries, so please make sure you act accordingly.
Yes.
Okay, so let me try a few trades. Let me check. I will try to shuffle my cards again. So let's see if on these assets we can find something. So traders, whenever I am using any strategy, this is something quite common, like which I am always used to repeat myself. You can, if irrespective of the strategy, if you are using anything with Japanese candle, there are certain set of rule which you can follow. The first one, always trade in trending market. As we always say, trend is your friend. So this is the first thing which I believe you should consider. Second thing, also consider the last formation of the candle. So n number of set of rules are going to be there for that also. But uh, in as per that, the easiest one which I can suggest you, the first, like, bigger the body, shorter the wick, that can be considered as a nice candle. And the third one, always consider support and resistance level. If any of your trade is near the support level or resistance level, I'll suggest avoid taking a trade. What do you think about that, Ankara? Like, do you use any another set of rule, or basically you just focus on the strategy?
No, it is depend on the strategy actually, Kunal. So it's depends strategy to strategy. Suppose when I use the triple rebound strategy, it's already a very stable strategy, right? On that case, I do not use any other thing. Might be in other cases like Friday or any other, like you have already added today. Your strategy is actually a customized strategy. So
Yeah.
it's depend on the strategy, that which strategy I have chosen. Depend on that, I customize it. There are few strategy where I think there is no need of any customization. There are few strategy maybe a few customization is needed. So what I think that it's totally depend on how you're going to do the trade, what is your mentality about the trading. So that's why I always request to our trader that do practice those in your demo accounts. Once you will practice, then you can realize that yes, this strategy is for me, or might be I can customize it. But do not use it directly to your live account. Use it in demo, practice it. Then when once you will have the confidence, you can use it to directly to your live account. And also, Kunal, I think we should inform about the copy trading, that it's a telecast. So
Yeah, yeah,
that's a
yeah. We missed
very
that.
important thing, right? Sometimes we check that.
Yeah, so traders, like Ankara, just want to say that even though this session is live, but there is a telecast gap which lies between somewhere around 30 seconds to 1 minute. So there is a possibility that the trade me or she will be opening right away. That will be visible to you after a couple of seconds. So of course, if you will be trying to copy that trade, that can lead to some negative results, because there will be some difference with the position. So make sure you avoid doing copy trading. Just focus on the strategy, learn it, and then practice it on your demo account. Because understand one more thing, that this session is live for next max to max 40-45 minutes, but you have to trade after that also. So there is a possibility that you might be able to make some profits or you might make some losses, but what exactly you will do after this session is, inactive. So make sure you focus on that part. Just focus on the learning. And as she also talked about, that we need to focus on practice also, because see, technical tools are like a medicine. There is no surety that something which is working for me, that will be working for Ankana also, or something Ankana is using that might work for me or some another trader. So we always have to do a past test. Like what exactly I'm trying to say, always practice it on your demo account, open 50 to 70 trades, and then conclude whether that strategy is working for you or not. I have seen, Ankana, I must share one experience with you. So I was talking to one of my traders. So I had a conversation with him. I shared a strategy with him. And in the next session, he said, Kunal bhai, that strategy didn't work for me. I said, like, sir, that was a very nice strategy. So what exactly was happened? He said, I tried to make some trades, but that was not a profitable strategy. And then I just randomly asked, sir, how many trades you have opened? And he said, almost 7 to 10 trades. So I
Okay.
was so I was just I just want to tell you one thing, sir. Like, when you will start taking some trades, then there is a possibility within first 20 trades you will just understand that what exactly you are supposed to look after. In next 20 trades you will try to observe or grab them. In next 20 trades you will come up with your trading set of rule, or your what we call a strategy rule. And then the
Yes.
last 10-20 trades will tell you that what exactly is happening as per that strategy. So I'm sure that is going to take some time, but that will help you to make some extra funds. It's like that, the more you sweat in the field, the less you bleed in the battle. So trading is also like that. The more practice you do on your demo account, the more time you spend on the demo account, the less losses you will make on your live account.
Yes, absolutely true, Kunal. I mean, I face this kind of issue also. And one thing that I realize whenever we're going to say, I mean, suggest any strategy or inform them about, clarify them, it's the our trader might be sometimes think that okay, this is the main strategy, we will get 100% profit from that. No, it's actually not possible. Maybe after practicing you can have a surety of 70 to 8% about the good entry, but it's a financial market. So even check that we do live practice, we are doing the trading pattern, then also we are there a negative trade, then why? I mean, that's the issue. It's never 100% is a mathematical calculation. So you need to practice, you need to understand the good entry, which is the good entry. Might be 70 to 80% right decision you will take, but there are chances for the negative decision also. So do not rely 100% on any of the strategy. To practicing, it will help you to check a good entry, good signal. But yes, it's a
True.
mathematical tool. Ultimately, it's a mathematical tool.
True, 100% true. And I believe like we have a few comments also. So many traders, they are just sharing their greetings to you and me also. So hello to everyone. And there is one comment from Mohit ji. He's asking that, sir, please RSI, just say give some details about the RSI. So let me just apply that also. I will try to use that. So I will just remove stochastic. Oh, sorry. So I will replace it with RSI, because that is also going to be a trend reversal tool. I will use a frequency of 14, or let's make it 12 or 10. So I'll make it 10 in the beginning, even
Kunal,
though
I think
US
you are
market.
sharing my screen, right?
No problem. Let me just switch it.
Mhm.
Perfect. Yeah. So, Mohiji, this is only for you. So I have just switched the my stochastic to RSI. So I have applied the RSI frequency of 10. You can use anything between 10 to 14 if you're using it as a customized. So how exactly it works on different frequency, like in a few frequency, you might be able to take some trades on this 50 level also. But the major two levels are 70 and 30. So these one are called, this is the overbought zone and this is the oversold zone. So how exactly it works? So once the market will breach any one of them, then there can be a calculation, or there can be assumption that there can be a price reversal or price correction. Price correction means if the market is keep on moving up, then market can start moving downward, and vice versa. Or let me do one thing, let me make it 14 also, so you will be able to use as it is. So all you just need to focus on these intersection. Once the market will breach any one of these level, either the bottom one or the top one, the best suggestion which I'll give you, do not take any trade while following the trend. What exactly I'm trying to say. So if the market is keep on moving in the upward direction, and you will observe that this RSI frequency breach this 70 level, then we will not be taking any trade in the upward direction. We will wait for the trend reversal and we will take a trade in the downward direction. Now there is one assumption, exception is there which you can use. That is, if there is any breach of support or resistance level, then you can consider, but that is also at that moment, if that breach is the instant one, you are available on that asset and that breach happened and you just executed that trade. Because there is a possibility that support level is breached, or resistance level is breached, market will move into that specific direction for one or two candles, and from there onward market will start recovering itself. So this is something which I believe you should be focusing on. And let me take a few more comments also. So okay, where is it, hello guys, you always keep interesting seminar. Thank you so much, Rohiji, thank you so much for your appreciation. Okay, Gulzaman is saying 19 minutes 37 seconds. Sir, I'm not getting your comment. Please just explain it again. Again, hello to everyone. Bank is withdrawal is safe? Is bank withdrawal is safe in India? Yes, Danji, you can make a withdrawal via IMPS also. Apart from that, there are n number of methods are available, like you can use cryptos also, or you can use e-wallets as well, but that is completely fine. Sudeep is saying that I don't know English. Sudeep ji, today's session is in English, but if you're more comfortable with Hindi or Urdu, you can subscribe the channel, because on this channel we are conducting sessions in 8 different languages. So on every Tuesday and Thursday we are conducting sessions in Hindi also. And in the meantime, you can do one thing, just go to the playlist section, open the Hindi playlist, and whatever we have conducted in the past, everything is available there. Okay, so who is trading? Let me give you signal in the live. Okay, so Augustine is there to help us. So thank you so much, Augustine. But today we are having a trading battle. So both of us are trading, and I have shared the link in the chat section also. So we have started receiving some entries also. There are some traders, those who are supporting me, and a few are supporting Ankana also. So thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for your support. And tell me, sir, I have made a withdrawal in my bank account. Is it safe? That is completely fine, sir. Nothing to worry about. What happened to form link? Bhagwanji, what happened? Like, are you not able to use the form link? Let me share it again. And in the meantime, Angana, what's your score? Like, how is everything going on your side?
It's going actually. It's a mixing result. Last three trade was negative. Then again two trades were positive, and the last one is negative. So yes, it's not like I'm getting all the profitable trade, but it's a mixing, profit and negative everything.
Okay, no worries. And let me show you mine also. I was,
Yes,
quite busy while taking some
comment.
comments, but I
Yes.
was not able to take much trades. But let me show you my trade history. So far, I have started from this one.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so like so far I have taken a few trades. So these were the one we have already discussed. So after that I have taken three more trades. One was negative. Let me show you the gold one. So market bounced back at the same moment. Let me see what exactly happened at that time. Okay, so there was a resistance level, a support level which was not breached, and market bounced back. Rest two trades were fine. So far, like I am having a success rate of somewhere around 60-65, but still I believe that's there is so much time still available to go. So
Yes.
anything can be switched at any moment, as there is a quote that market doesn't owe you anything, so market can switch any moment. So
Anyway.
let's keep on shuffling our cards. And Angana, if you wish to take some comments, traders would love to have some insights from
Yes,
your side.
absolutely. I think you have already read the comment, and they are just sending hi and so many emojis of love. Really, Pranshudev, you have mentioned that offline classes is available. Offline class means if you reach to the expert level trader, every week you will have direct live classes. Offline classes is in that sense is not available, but all the practice session, all this battle, everything that we are doing in our channel, it will be recorded. And I mean, it's right now it's live, but you can check it at your convenient time. These are the class, but offline classes is not available because Olymptrade is fully a online platform. So you have to check our channel. If you are expert level trader, that I mentioned, that you will have a direct live conversation. But unfortunately, as in this world everything is online, so Olymptrade is also providing all this service online. Hope you can understand that. Best indicator name, it's asked by Jibran Khan. Mr. Khan, best indicator name, it's depend on you, that which indicator is best for you. You need to use all the indicator. If you want to know about the best indicator, then the best way is to use it, practice it. Because if I mention you that this is like MACD, if I mention that this is the best indicator, and after using MACD you think, no, it's not good for you. So that's why we always request our trader to do use those indicator in your demo account. Then for you, which one is best, that you will decide, because trading is absolutely your personal choice. If you ask me, I really like MACD indicator, oscillator, like stochastic oscillator that we already discussed about. um yes. Then another, it's not opening. Bhagwan Singh ji, it's not opening. Could you please clarify this, that what is not opening, so that we will, I think Kunal, he is asking for the Google form, that it's not opening.
Let me share it again.
Yes.
I have shared it multiple times, traders. But in the meantime, if you are still not able to open it, you can just pick it from the description part. I have added it with the contest link heading, so you will be able to fetch it from there. So you can try to
Yes.
fetch. And let me take a few more comments also. Okay, so the red. What happened to the form link? Olymptrade legal in India. Yes, Sanjay ji, that is completely fine. You can use, or in fact, like it's been almost 11 years that we are catering in this Indian market, so everything is streamlined. You can use the platform. The red candle that form after every green candle is one candle, eight candle form red after that 90%. See, Jibran ji, like if this is something which you have applied, or if you have observed, I'm not going to say that that is not going to work or that will be working, but that is of course that is going to be depending on your skill set. But I believe that rather than making some such calculation, I believe that you should try use some technicals also, so that you will be able to get a bit more insights about that one. And link can't be open. Great evening. I had a profit today, 19 dirham with my recovery loss in Olymptrade. Mohammad Hassan ji, I'm very happy to see that you are making some profits also, and at the same time you were able to make some recoveries. Please, try to be in that window or be in that part that where you will be focusing only on the profit section. Just try to avoid that recovery part. Okay, so Sudeep ji, thank you so much for the appreciation. Okay, Google Form can't open. Bhagwan ji, I have shared it again. Just check if that is working for you. Is it practical possible to grow $50 account to 5,000? Manisha Das, I'm so sorry, guys, if I'll pronounce your name incorrectly. But answering your question, sir, that is practical. You can do that, but it's not like that. If you will say that, Kunal, I want to do it within 1 day, 2 day, 5 day, 7 day, it will take some time. You have to make a analysis, or you have to make a calculation. You have to divide it with the number of days, and then you should be making a calculation as per that. So it's not impossible, but it will take some time, because one of my mentor is always used to say that trading is like a marathon. It's not like a sprint. There is a possibility that if you will try to consider it as a sprint, you might be able to achieve cover a specific distance, but after some time you will feel that your breath is already exhausted. And in trading, your breath is like your capital. You might be able to make some profit, but after some time, if you will start making some losses, you will be winding up. Okay, so KPYN G asking, Binomo is better or Olymptrade, sir? That is completely up to your choice. Like whichever you feel that is suitable for you, you can work with that. Sudeep is saying Smart RSA 15. Does it work 100%? Sir, see, there are no such technicals which will be promising 100% accuracy. All you just need to grab it, use it, and then conclude it whether it is working for you or not. Okay, so do we have more comments? Consider my question. Sir, I believe I have already explained you, answered you, but still, if anything I have missed, just let me know again. Okay, sir, please tell me Doji Candle and Akash ji online session kab. Pardeep ji, Akash ji is coming live on YouTube on every Monday, 6:30. Basically, he's talking about all the market news, market updates. As today, Bank of Japan, they revised their interest rate, and after 30 years, they have increased that. So much volatility was there. Okay, so Abes Rajput, if you talk about the doji candle, so I'll just give you a quick insight about that one. So doji candle is something like which is opening at the on the top of the chart or at the bottom, and at that specific candle, market can create a reversal. So this is something like which you can consider. How to expert in binary trading? Onkar ji, I just want to answer this thing that there is a huge difference between trading and binary. So in a binary, you are just making some flukes, like Kohli is going to hit a six on this ball, or Sachin is going to be bowled on this ball or not. So all you just can consider his last performance, or if he's having any injury or something like that. But if you talk about trading, fundamental, technical, graphical, everything will be considered here. And if you observe on our platform also, if any data is floating, you will be finding the exact movement which is happening in the market. So it's a trading platform. Until and unless you are not trading on the basis of last red, four candles were red, next can be red, last three candles were red, green, next can be green. So this is not a trading, let me be honest with you. So you have to spend some time, you have to invest some time to grab a hold on that. And let me show you a few more trade results also. Okay, so I have tried to take a few more, but these trades were not positive at all, even though it's already 7 o'clock. So US market is already open, so we can expect some sudden volatility, Ankana. So what's your experience about this, Ankana? So like do you believe, like while trading, while US market is opening, so do you feel such volatilities also, or I am the one
Yes.
only who is having
No, no, no. You
superstition?
are not the one. I always, I mean, in my opinion, also the volatility. It's not like that. I mean, I never say like this is the main fact, but no. But in my realization, I do check the volatility. Yes, absolutely, absolutely on that. So I want to share my screen, if it's possible, about my result of the trade.
Yeah, it's already there.
Okay, so these are the last trade, one, two, three, four, five trade I have taken after I mentioned you the last result. Quite good. One trade was negative trade. So what I'm going to do that, once I start about the taking the rodeo strategy, I haven't shared about the details that in which basis I'm taking the up and down trend. Might be there are few traders, they are not. I mean, they are not familiar to the rodeo strategy. So what I'm doing, I'm checking the area chart. This is my first confirmation. If my area chart, guys, you can just ignore the MACD also, because the MACD is the reflection of the area chart. Same it will reflect, okay? MACD and area. So the area chart, if it's down below to the zero level, that means whenever it's crossing over below to the zero level, there is a chance. There is a chance. I always mention there is a chance. We are not 100% sure. There is a chance that the candle will go down. I mean, it's a down trade. So this is my first confirmation I am checking. And then about the stochastic, when the blue line from the overbought zone, it's crossing over below the red line, that also my second confirmation. So these two confirmation I considered, yes, there the area chart is going down, also the stochastic, so showing the same thing, that the blue line is crossing below the red line and below the 80 zone, like. So that here, if I took a trade for 1 minute or 2 minute, always I prefer, like, if I am checking 1 minute candle, then my trade timing should be 2 minutes or 3 minutes, depending on the situation. It's a down trade. So that's the main thing of rodeo. And it's a very easy strategy for me. So that's my result, Kunal. It's going good actually.
I can see that you are, rocking today, I believe.
It's not like that, but last few trades were going good actually.
Nice, nice, nice. As I already told you that like market can switch these sides at any
Yes,
moment. So
yes.
traders, this is
And it's already
something.
7.
Yeah, so this is something like which you need to focus also, that every day is not going to be Diwali, every day is not going to be Eid, every day is not Christmas. Then of course there, it's not like that every day will be profit. There might be some situations when you will be making some losses. Accept it, but understand one thing: if that is your trading account, if that is your money in the trading account, then of course that should be your choice, that how much you will be making in a day and how much you will be losing in a day. Now some traders will be saying that, sir, I don't want to lose anything. Sir, understand one thing: every day market is not same. So just make a budget that this is the amount which I can lose, this is the money which I want to make in a day, and that's how you can continue in the market. Okay, so there are a few questions. फाइनली ट्रेडिंग करके लाइफ में ऐसे कीजिए, मेरे को भी इलाज की करवाना पता है. जस्ट अ सेकेंड, मिस्टर मोहम्मद अरमान, माफी चाहूंगा सर, आई एम सो सॉरी बट आई एम नॉट एबल टू गेट योर कमेंट, बट आई थिंक दैट यू आर स्टेटिंग करना पड़ता बाइनरी ट्रेडिंग करके लाइफ हो, आप पैसा के लिए मेरे को भी इलाज नहीं. Mohammed Arman, I'm so sorry. Please just explain your comment again. If I'm so sorry, buddy. But it is OTC. See, SAN FX. It's like the technical, whichever you are using or whichever I am using or Ankana is using it, irrespective of the asset, the set of rule is going to be remain same. So you can use it on any asset, and that is the reason that you might have observed. Irrespective of the asset, I'm just considering the profitability. Higher the profitability, I'm just picking all those assets, like whatever is having 85 or more than that one, I'm just picking that one. Okay, so SB Hager is saying, hello sir, I'm beginner. Please tell me what is the first thing I need to learn. See, SB Hager, if you're new to the trading, the best which I'll suggest, the best suggestion which I want to give you, this is something which most of the traders they are struggling with or they do not focus on, but that is the main pillar of the trading. That is what we call risk management and money management. Like if the trades are going positive, in case if you want to increase the amount, how to increase it. If the trades are going negative, how to decrease the amount. What exactly most of the traders are doing, if trades are going positive, they just increase the amount without making any calculation, that last four trades were positive, next will be positive. There is no surety like that. Second thing, if the trades are negative, then that doesn't make any sense that you will be, you know, putting all your capital in a single trade. This is something which I will not be suggesting. Decrease the amount, hold your capital, so that once the market will be stable, so at least you will be able to trade. What do we need to do? Win, Pradeep ji, all you just need to practice, practice and practice, and then take it to your live account. What if I did not get profit at all in one day? See, Joseph, as I've already said, sometime there will be some days when you will be making some losses, but it should be a calculative loss. Like, I want to make $70 profit in a day. So whatever is your take profit, or let me give you a calculation also. So if your take profit is less than $100 or 10,000 rupees, you can keep your stop loss within 60 to 70%. But if your stop loss, if your take profit is more than that, then you can keep it 50 to 60%. Now 70% or 60%, that is not the percentage which you will be calculating on the capital. That will be calculated on the basis of take profit. So what exactly I am trying to say, 70% of $70. So my take profit was 70, so my 70% of that one will be $49. So just let's make it a round figure, so that will be $50. So in one day, if I am making some profit, I will be making 70. If I am making some loss, I will be losing 50. So that's how we will be trading. बाइनरी ट्रेडिंग करके लाइफ खत्म. सी, मोहम्मद अरमान जी, in financial market you have to be cautious. This is something which we have mentioned in the beginning also. Make sure you do not take it as a binary trading. Work on your technicals, work on your skill set, because it's a hardcore trading platform to win free trade. Pradeep ji, all you just need to participate in that one, but we are, unfortunately, we are not accepting any more entries. So I'm so sorry for that. And whatever the entries we have already received, we will be considering them, and one winner will be there from them. And Pradeep ji, I believe that you were the winner in the last session also, and I'm sure that you might have received your RFTs, which I have promised yesterday. $1,000 loss. My mother, I have many treatment. My mother, Mohammad Armanji, I'm so sorry to hear about that one, but we are not allowed to send any money. Best mentor I have come across. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. I learned something new today. So SB Hacker is stating, Anganash, he's sharing, or he is giving his best wishes to you and me. He's very happy to, learn a few more or a few new things from us. So thank you so much. And let's see how what's the record going on. So I faced back to back three negative, but all in all it's going fine. Mm, let me check, let me take a few more trades. So I will start taking it from the gold OTC. Okay, so a signal is there. Let's pick one here. And traders, one more thing, we are keep on opening back-to-back trades, but because we want to show you that how exactly it works. But for you, there are no such requirements, or there are no such compulsions. You can focus on one trade. Once the result will be there, then you can calculate whether you want to increase the amount in case if it is required, or whether you need to decrease the amount. Because I always believe money management and risk management, they are the best pillar, or they are the most important pillar which most of the traders are struggling with, and they do not focus on. What do you think, Ankana? Like, what's your mindset about risk management, money management?
Absolutely,
How
absolutely,
should you follow?
Kunal, that you mentioned earlier also. Uh, Guys, if anyone is telling you that trading is all about profit and we never face any loss or anything, I mean, do not believe it's not possible. If you are doing trade for even in 10 years, 15 years, or whatever the experience you are having, because trading is always about the profit and loss, but the main thing is, the key is the consistency, that ultimately if you are gaining profit at the end of the month or the end of the week, so there are few days where you will check very much volatility in the market, your trade is not going good. So money management and psychology, trading psychology, these are very important. Already Kunal mentioned one point that really, I mean, that's one of my favorite point, that is limit yourself every day. Whenever you are going to start your trading journey, if possible, make a limit of your profit as well as your loss. Suppose you are having a very nice, I mean, trading journey on that day. You're gaining profit and profit back to back. But there should be a limit, because if you are doing a over trading, whole day you are doing trading, at the end of the day, might be you don't have that much of patience, you are not changing the asset, you are not checking any news or anything. Market is becoming volatile, but you are just doing trade because your day was very good. Ultimately, at the end of the day, you are checking that your profit percentage might be your 10 to 12%. You have gained 10 to 12% profit from your invested amount, but at the end of the day, it's 4% to 5%. So this is our trading psychology, which is very important. You need to limit your profit also. Yes, today I have a great day, I might open few more trade 5 to 4 trade, then I will not do over trading. Same for loss. Like you should have a limit in your loss also, that no, today the trading is not going good. I have already exceeded my loss percentage. You can use the martingale process, everything. Then there should be a point where you need to stop, because you have other day also. The next day again you will start, you will limit your you will increase your profit limit. No, yesterday it was not good, so I need to increase my profit limit. But always this money management and the risk management, your trading psychology should be there, should be a plan, I think. And also one suggestion I always give to my traders, Kunal, that is, if possible, maintain a logbook. I know it's not possible. If you're doing 100 trade, it's not possible to maintain all these things, right? But the end of the day, you can mention that this is my profit, or this is my loss percentage, or these are the mistake, these are the volatile asset for this day. So that next time, whenever you will start the trade, you should have that logbook. You can check your mistakes or the good points. You can use them. These are the main strategy to become consistent in trading, that you will gain profit not every day, but overall you will be on profit. So overall you can use the trading platform as a earning source. So please check this point, these key points, very important. We all know, if you are experienced, you have the ideas about all the strategy and everything, but we need to control our mind and we need to manage our money
Exactly.
and double M.
Exactly. I'm 100% or in fact 200% agree with this statement. Like this is not only about that part, because see, traders, it is very easy to learn a strategy, to grab a hold on that one, to make some money in the market, but it is very hard to hold it. Like there is a quote also that it's easy to be successful, but it's very hard to stay on that platform or on that level. So this is something which you need to focus on. And we have a few more comments also. Let me take a few more. Sir, in my trading account provide me 85 return, my friend account 95. So Onkarji, he's not having 95. He might be getting 93%, because that could be the reason, as per the status on the platform, the profitability in increase or decrease. So this is something which you need to focus on. I take profit, but I fear Olymptrade legal in India. Sanjay ji, that is completely fine. From last 11 years, we are in the Indian market, so you can trust. That is completely fine. Agree, money management is necessary. Then this is the key point which you have to focus on, Daniel. So this is the only thing. I'll try to give you one example also, that what is the importance of money management. So if you are a car owner, or like, let's try to make it in a better way. So you have a car, doesn't matter which car is that, like whether it's a luxury one or it's a normal one. So your technicals, your fundamentals, your graphicals, they are going to act as the mechanic of that car. Second is going to work as the engine oil of that car, and the third one is going to work as the maintenance of that car. Now it doesn't matter whether you have a small car or a luxury one, doesn't matter whether you have hired someone from the local market, or every time you are just moving to the company authorized stations, or you are using the high end engine oil, or you are using the best mechanic or whatever. Irrespective of the everything, if you are not using the correct fuel in that car, that car is not going to move. So here in trading, your risk management and money management is the fuel of that car. So in case you have a Mercedes, if you are hiring someone from the out of the country, you are using the premium oils, everything is streamlined. But if that is an electric car, you are not charging it. If that is a petrol car, you are putting diesel. If that is a diesel car, you are putting petrol, or you are not adding anything, that will not move at all. So this is the exactly which I want to say, that this is the importance of money management and risk management. Okay, so I managed to book a few more profit. One trade was negative, one no profit, no loss. So things are going so far streamlined for me. And what about you, Ankana? So how much profit so far you have made?
Yes, Kunal, it's going good for me also. When you're checking the comment, I took one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight trade. One was a risk-free trade. Within this eight trade, only there was one negative trade, and other
Mm.
seven was positive. But about the recovery, because the first time, first 15-20 minutes was not good. So I'm trying to recover that, but I must say that last 30 minutes was on my field. It was absolutely good for me.
See
You should
that
check
like
my
the
trade
first
result
30
there.
minutes were for in my favor. Now last 30 minutes are in your favor.
Yes,
No worries, no
absolutely.
worries. So I'm happy to see that like you are also doing very great. So let's see who will be winning this battle. So we still have more 5 minutes to go, and let's take a few more comments. So strategy name, please. So Ali is asking strategy name. So I'm using Friday strategy, and Ankana is using Rodeo. So I
Yes.
have added the RSI on the request of Mohit. So he was also looking forward to have information about that one. Onkar is saying alligator help to winning. See, Onkar, as I have already mentioned, that is going to completely depending on your skill set and your practice. There is a possibility that you are making profits on alligator. I might not be able to. So this is something which you need to focus on. High Kanashi candlestick patterns are best than others. I'm partially agree with that also, because in with high Kanashi candle, even with the color of the candle, they will be indicating that what can be the direction of the market. So it's very easy to understand. Red market down, green market up. But in a high Kanashi, what I believe that sometimes it is very hard to draw the support and resistance level. So if you are someone like me who is very fond of support resistance level or something like that one, then I believe that high Kanashi might not be good for you. But yes, of course, that is easy to use also. Like that is also depending on different. Okay, so I have not yet done my verification in Olymptrade because I have get my license done first. Can I deposit money and start trading and then verify when I need to withdraw? See, Joseph, for that one, you can use different documents also, like passport or some another document also. So that can be also used to complete your verification. And at the second thing, see, there are two type of verification. One is voluntary, second one is mandatory. Voluntary, you can do it anytime. But if I'll talk about the mandatory, if the mandatory verification is initiated before you make a withdrawal or while you make a withdrawal, then you have to complete it so that withdrawal will be completed. So this is something which I'll suggest. You can practice on your demo account until that, or you can use some another ID proof to complete the verification. So I believe that will be more easy for you. Of course, you can make deposit, you can trade on the platform, you can win profits also, you can withdraw also. But in case if the mandatory verification will get initiated, you have to complete it to withdraw the complete fund. So this is something which you have. Okay, so Pradeep ji, that offer is almost over because we are just about to end the wind up today's session. So I'm so sorry, but of course you can get in upcoming sessions, because every now and then I'm used to come live with some different challenges. So of course you can participate in that one. Sudeep ji saying smart RSA 15, does it work 100%? As I have already mentioned, sir, these are just some technical tools which will be indicating that what can be the direction of the market, even though if it is a AI based generated technical tool, but still 100% accuracy is not promised at all. So I request you, please do not invest huge capital in a single trade, or you can practice it. Of course, that is going to be your choice. You can practice it on your demo account. If you are able to make some profits, of course you can use it, right? So Ankara, I believe that we should conclude today's session. So overall, just for an instance, like how much you think that how much profit you have made, like without making any calculation, you can just give me a quick number.
Profit is about, I think, when I've started my amount was 2000 USD, and it's 2032 USD right now. So yes,
Okay,
I'm
so
not in loss, Kunal. 30 minutes was very bad for me, but ultimately I have recovered it. That's the main part for me for today. Because
nice.
Dear Trader, one thing also I want to say that to Kunal already mentioned, that it's a trading battle. So we are just taking trade. We are not that much concerned about a good entry, that this is the good entry we should avoid, this is not a choppy situation. So whenever you are doing trading, you are not participating in any battle, take your time, check for a good entry, then take your trade. Right, Kunal?
True, true. 100% agree with that thing, Ankana. And I believe like you made a very nice profit in this second half. So let's consider you as a winner today. And as per that calculation, so we have a winner for the RFT also. So the name, the trader ID for this winner is going to be 129110141. I'm repeating the trader ID again. It's 129110141. He didn't make the exact calculation, but that was the nearest one, so he will be considered as the winner. So my congratulations to you. If you're still available, dear trader, if you're still available who won the RFT in this session, I just request you, please mention your name in the comment section and also confirm if your trader ID which I have mentioned, that is the correct one, so I can give your name a shout out. We can congratulate you also, and we can confirm if the trader ID was correct. And before winding up this session, I just want to give you a quick insight again. Traders, whatever the strategies you are learning from me, Ankana, from your personal analyst, any source, irrespective of the source, make sure you practice it on your demo account also, and you learn about that also. Because trading is not only about investing money, you have to invest some time also, right? So make sure you pay focus on that also. So Ankana, before we wind up, any last comments you want to share with any last thoughts you want to share with our viewers?
Yes, it's a really, and Kunal, I really enjoyed the session, overall the session. Yeah, I'm absolutely the same thing I want to say. Like Kunal mentioned, uh, join our session, enjoy it. The session that we are providing is only for you. Our main purpose is our valuable traders. So do check the session, practice in demo account, and then apply it in your live account. It's only for your purpose, so that any beginner trader or experienced trader, they can share their thoughts and everything. That we are very open. There is a live chat, so it's not a recorded video or anything. We can directly speak with our trader. So do join, do subscribe our channel, join our session, so that we will get that motivation from you guys. And practice, please practice, because a good learning can give you a proper earning. That's the main motto.
True, true, true. So, guys, let's wind up today's session. So, thank you so much for your precious time. It was lovely talking to you. I wish you a great day, successful trading ahead. Make sure you subscribe the channel, be part of the family, and stay safe, stay healthy. My wishes to your family also. And last thing, keep learning, keep earning. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you, Ankana. Thank you so much for your day. Take
Thank
care.
you,
Cheers.
bye bye.